I am so angry right now. And I will show you exactly why. I am super duper angry, guys. Okay. So, Magic Tracks playset logic. I just bought this. That's the car that it came with. This is a 10-year-old Thomas train. It was released almost 5 years before this. Now here's the piece of logic for you. Here, so the Percy doesn't really work anymore. So I'll just turn this on. Let's hope it works now. That always happens with all of them. See how it works? And it goes right back. Here's a piece of logic for you. The car that come with it, when you put it on the track, watch this. Excuse me? What is this garbage? Come on. This can't be real. A 10-year-old Thomas train works better. There's something made in 2018. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Magic Tracks? This is garbage. Absolute garbage. I was gonna do this, but you know what? I'm not gonna do that anymore. The back of this came with a tire. I had to unscrew that just to see if it works, and guess what? Still doesn't work. Like, this is, let's see if I can actually make a toy work. I know this is garbage! Okay, I have to touch it like this for it to work. Imagine a 3-year-old. A 3-year-old would be like,
SpongeBob film, right?
today, I'm playing with Thomas. Screw you, Magic Tracks.